Well, the only thing we can do now is do it again. See what happens.
Why? So you can lose again?
Oh, here we go.
You're not going to beat me. Not on here.
You know what this is going to lead to? I want the left lane. That's what it leads to, all right?
Left lane.
The left lane.
Oh,
that's what it is.
That's what it was.
Hey, you got to throw all the cards out in real life, you know? Well, actually, I want the left desert. You can get the right desert, I get the left one.
I'm pretty impressed with that thing. Even though you lost, you can tell that thing had so much power. It was pulling hard at the end.
Well,
hard.
either way you look at it, seeing that in your rearview mirror has got to be intimidating. Any way you look at it, win or lose. So I guess there is no winner or loser. Well, winner, loser. But at the end of the day, we still get to drive them home, and yeah.
Yeah.
So well,
yeah.
cool.
Now we got to put the catalytic or the DEF system back on the 17.
We do. We have to
for road use.
Yes. Before we get back on the highway, we will make sure we put the DEF back on.
Yeah.
Hey guys, that was pretty awesome, wasn't it?
That was really fun. I had a lot of fun driving those.
Even though we never won because of the left lane.
No, you wouldn't have won either way.
Oh, come
on.
on.
There was no traction.
Come on.
Even, I mean, it was like a 19-second quarter mile, if you really...
That's my story. We're sticking to it. But no, on a realistic sense, the traction was the biggest issue that we had.
We got to get tires.
You know what? If you guys come up with a tire that you think we should run on these trucks, let us know.
We'll get the tire that has the most likes.
Absolutely.
On a comment. Just comment down below. Hopefully it's a good tire. Don't pick a stupid tire.
Yeah,
guys,
we need something that actually has a good sidewall, something that's practical for street and dirt and mud, just like the 17, and we'll buy them. We'll put them on there, and we'll retest it and let you guys know how and what happens.
Also, if you notice, the 2017 was leveled in the front. It looks a lot better that way, so that's what we're going to do to the 2020 the next time you see it.
Right, yeah, we actually got this leveling kit from Bison Off-Road. Now, just so you guys know, not all level kits or lift kits are equal. That's a big myth and misconception to a lot of people. And I know you guys have seen probably a ton of videos on level kits. This one is different. This one from Bison Off-Road has the track bar bracket with the cam adjustment. Nobody's had that yet on their Super Duty, so this is pretty exciting.
Basically, not only does it drop the track bar so it realigns your axle, it also has a patented stop cam system. And what that does is allow you to adjust your track bar even more so you can really center that axle and keep it from, bump steering when you're hitting bumps and going
and the Fords have a notorious issue with that bump steering.
Death wobble. Woo!
Exactly. That's one way to do it. So we're actually excited to show you guys this. I think we're going to be one of the first ones to actually show with that new drop bracket.
Well, no one else has this design, this stop cam design. Bison Off-Road is the only one that has it. He does it for cam bolts on your control arms too. Yeah. But for this, you can go from 2-inch to 4.5 inches and not have to change your track bar and not have to buy
pretty impressive. That's actually really impressive. Yeah. And I think some of his products you guys have actually used in your Toyotas, right? Yeah. The off-roading. That's been huge. Yeah. So stay tuned with us, guys. We're going to be back. This truck's going to be better than ever because nobody really wants to keep a stock truck, right? It's kind of...
Tires and a level kit.
Yeah.
It's going to look good.
Yeah, and there's always extremes. There's that, and there's up to 10, 20-inch lifts, Yeah. We don't go that crazy, but...
It's still a work truck.
We got to be practical, exactly. So stick with us, guys. Yeah, and hey, can't wait.
Thanks.